9295 Dorothy virtual tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Just finished up here, but here's your 2-bath. Giant backyard, fenced in. Streetsboro, awesome area, nice neighborhood. Here's just a big old backyard. Let's go inside. We've remodeled this one. As you can see, a stack washer and dryer right there, dishwasher, range. There's your refrigerator, all new flooring, LTV, paint, plugs, switches, lights. Awesome property. Got a brand new bathroom. It's a 2 full bath house. So let's go into the new bathroom. Here's your new bathroom here. New toilet, it's got a shower. All brand new. All LTV through the whole house, new. Here's your second bathroom. It's a full bath with a tub. And then you have 3 bedrooms. Here's your first bedroom. It's got vinyl windows too, central air. Here's your other bedroom, ceiling fan. Just a nice property. And then here's your other bedroom. Sorry, it's right here, sorry. So you got the new LTV paint, plug, switches, lights, all brand new. Just a nice looking house. So this could be your house. It's in Streetsboro, Ohio. Just finished it. This is a virtual tour. Thanks. Have a great day.